Tom Dav here, Dav Ranch. Today we have Chips Ahoy Stranger Things Chewy edition. Let's find out what the hell these taste like. Okay, so we get them fucking ripped open. That's what the motherfucker looks like. Let's give it a shot. That's raspberry. Also raspberry filling. So it's chocolate and raspberry. What I give these? I really don't like these. I'll give it a 5.5 out of 10. 5.5 out of 10. That's what it looks like. It's alright. I like raspberry, but it tastes like crap. 5.5 out of 10 raspberry flavoring. Pick it up if you want. I wouldn't recommend these. Alright, Tom Dav signing off for now.